Hey guys, welcome back to Code Blocks and let's start the video. In previous video, we have seen all the aggregate functions of SQL. So now I am going to show you how to perform joins in MySQL. So here are some types of joins. So inner join, full join, left join, right join, and self join. There are five types of joins. So one by one, we are going to see all the types of joins. First, I will show you inner join. So we are going to perform joins on customer table and order table. So let's see c dot. So we want name of customer, then last name and email ID from customer from customer table as C. So after that we want in order table we want order date. So O dot date, order date, and that's it guys. We want order date only. So after that inner join mm, on orders as O, and after that on column uh, C dot first ID is equals to O dot first ID. That's it guys, and let's see the output of the inner join. So you can see we have performed the join on the table order and we are getting the customer name and email ID. So why we are getting the two customer two times? So the customer who are ordered two times, they are getting two entries like this. We are getting the output. So now let's see. So you can see the matching data of order table and customer table. We are getting both in the output. So this is inner join. So after that I will show you left join. So before I explain you what is left join, I should tell what it does. So in left join, all the data from the left table and the matching data from the right table are shown, are retrieved from the database. Select C dot first name, comma C dot. Uh, so to save the time, I will show you here itself what it does and how it is used. So we will get the order details itself. Here we will do left join. That's it guys, this is the syntax. and let's now execute it. Now you can see we are getting the matching data from left table and the data, all the data from the left table and matching data from the right table. So now that's it is, and we will try to perform right join. So in right join, it's the same as left join, but we retrieve all the data from the left table, all the data from the right table and common data of the left table, which is matching with right table. So you can see in the diagram as it is shown, the all the data from the right table and the common which is matching with the right table, that data is also retrieved. So select C dot first name, comma, email, comma, O dot order date from customer C and right join on orders orders O on C dot cust ID is equals to O dot cust ID. So you can see we have retrieved all the data from the, this is the different type of data. You can see we are not getting two times the shubham@gmail.com because the right table has only one time, and so we are getting it once only. Here it is once and here it is once. So we are arranging the our data according to the right table, not by the left table. So after that you can also do full join, but in SQL there is no command like full join, so we should use union, and we should remove this. Yes. uh, this union. So after that we should perform it, and what it does is it will give us all the data from the right table and all the data from the left table, and it will match it and it will give the output as you can see here. So there is one more, union all. If we do union all, then the output changes again. What it does is it allows duplicate values to be included. Now we were not including duplicate values, but now we can include it if we use union all. So now I will show you how to perform self join. So we have to create a table for self join, as we don't have a special table. It requires a special kind of table. I will explain you that. So guys, we have created a table named employee with two IDs. One is manager ID and one is employee ID. And now we are going to perform a self join to know which employee is having which manager. So the self join is performed on the table itself, which means I'm going to show you the one table. It is only having a one table. We are going to perform on itself only. So you can see the employee name and manager. So for Amit there is no manager. For Ravi there is Amit. For Neha there is Amit, and for Karan there is Ravi, and for Arjun there is Neha. So like this we can have to do self join. So in MySQL there is no keyword like self join. It is in PostgreSQL. So in MySQL, we should use left join and the ID columns of employee table, and then we should perform join. Thank you guys, and like and subscribe for more.